Hi, I'm Hayley from Pacific Harvest and welcome to our Foodie Finds series on Irish sea moss, which we offer in its raw, natural, unprocessed format, and you can get it in a jar or a refill box. Now, our seaweeds are we only source seaweeds from cold waters because they tend to be more mineral rich. So we prefer to source from Europe, hence the name Irish sea moss. But there are other types of seaweeds that are rich in carrageenan that come from the tropics and from the area of the Caribbean. These are grown often some of them are grown in tanks. That species is grown in warm water. So it's not a species that we've chosen to work with because we want to make sure that mineral density and natural mineral richness is part of what our product offering is. So to that end, we only air dry our seaweeds. And this is why with every serve of our product, which you can make yourself and only make up what you need, so there's no wastage. With every serve, you're getting an excellent source of iodine, which is really important for supporting thyroid health. It can help to regulate metabolism, sleep, digestion, hormones. So it really has a big impact on overall health. Typically, I would make this into a gel. I do have some customers who just eat it raw. Personally, the flavour of sea moss is more like the ocean, and it's not something I would want to eat. So I tend to make it into the gel. If you rinse it thoroughly before you make the gel, it does diminish that smell of the ocean. You then make it into your gel. You could pop it into little ice cubes and freeze it, or add lemon juice or berries to it to make it less oceany. And you can just use one of those cubes in your smoothie. But there are heaps of other suggestions on our website around how to use Irish moss. So I've put it into hummus. You can make ice cream with it. Basically anything that you want to thicken, because this carrageenan in it is naturally going to give you that thickening action. And the gel is actually part of what's also helping to clean and detox and soothe as you digest it. So definitely suggest that you make up the gel rather than you'll get more benefits from making up the gel than just eating the raw seaweed. But yeah, we've got lots of recipes. We've also got some blog information. So if you want more information on Irish sea moss, please jump onto our website and read our blogs, pacificharvest.co. Thank you.